Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 16th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So the pound dollar just keeps on drifting up, and if you've been watching my videos, you probably have been either in a long or participating in a lot of longs. Yesterday, there was a one, two, three-way pullback. There was an engulfing move to the upside, another entry to go long. Now, for me, the last major structure is now this structure because that's the last end of a correction. So for me, the only thing that's going to turn me bearish, the only thing that's going to make me look for sorts is if it goes down and breaks structure with momentum. Then from that point forward, I will look for sorts at the end of pullbacks from that point forward. But it doesn't even have to do that, and I definitely won't be going short unless it does do that. Now we are at a fib level, but most of the time when you go above the 78%, it will take out the 100%. So even if it does start down, as long as it doesn't break and hold below this structure, I would definitely still be recommending longs. Like I said, the only thing that's going to turn me into a bear is seeing a break a structure that holds below structure. If it doesn't do that, if it makes another one, two, three pullback, another push to the upside, then there's no reason to not continue to look for longs on these shorter time frames. The trend is your friend for sure. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.